Hi everyone, I am May and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So good day! In this video, I'm going to show you how to name alkanes based on the IUPAC Nomenclature or the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry rules in naming alkanes. It's a video lesson in applied chemistry, alkanes naming the easiest way. Our objective is to name alkanes correctly using the IUPAC nomenclature. So before starting, you should have already prior knowledge on alkyl halides, so any of these halogens is treated as a substituent on the alkane chain. Always remember that the names of the substituents formed by the removal of one hydrogen from the end of the chain is obtained by changing the suffix "ane" to "il". For example, in methane, change the suffix "ane" to "il, so its name is methyl. Step 1. Find and name the longest continuous carbon chain. So for this example, this is its longest continuous carbon chain. So this example has 5 carbons, so it's pentane. Step 2. Identify and name the groups attached to this chain. So for this example, the attached substituents are methyl and chloro. Step 3. Number the chain consecutively, starting at the end nearest a substituent group. So for this example, our substituents are methyl and chloro. So obviously, the end with the red arrow is the end nearest a substituent group, which is the methyl, and that is on the carbon number 2. Step 4. Designate the location of each substituent group by an appropriate number and name. In this example, we have methyl and it is found on carbon number 2, so therefore it is 2-methyl. Another substituent, which is chloro, it's found on carbon number 3, so therefore it is 3-chloro. Step 5. Assemble the name listing groups in alphabetical order. Again, we have the substituents methyl and chloro, and they are found on carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 respectively. Methyl starts with letter M and chloro starts with letter C, so we will arrange them according to alphabetical order. Remember, in step number 1, we got the name of the longest continuous carbon chain, and that is pentane. And therefore, the name of this alkane is 3-chloro-2-methylpentane. Step 6. The prefixes di, tri, tetra, used to designate several groups of the same kind, are not considered when alphabetizing. So we have example number 1, and as you can see, it has also substituents attached to its longest carbon continuous chain. So we will try to designate numbers starting from the end, which has the nearest substituent attached to it. So we have 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it has 7 carbon atoms on the longest carbon continuous chain, and therefore this is heptane. For the substituents, it has methyl and another methyl on carbon number 3. So it is 3,3-dimethyl. So we use the prefix di because we have 2 methyls attached to carbon number 3. Another substituent which is attached to carbon number 4 of the longest carbon continuous chain is ethyl. So we can write this as 4-ethyl. So the name of this alkane is 4-ethyl 3,3-dimethylheptane. So remember, step number 6 states that the prefixes di, tri, and tetra are used to designate several groups of the same kind, but are not considered when alphabetizing. So that is why in this example, 4-ethyl comes first before 3,3-dimethyl. Example number 2, you try. times up. The answer, 2,5-dimethyl-octane. One more example. Try this. Times up. The answer, 2,3,5-trimethyl-4-propylheptane. Now, if you found this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thread button below to get notified for some upcoming videos. I hope you got something informative today, so see you on our next video lesson.